We are on lesson 2.5 in our Go Math book. That is page 73. We are learning about place value to 1,000 today. The essential question, how do you know the values of the digits in numbers? Down at the bottom in the blue lettering is a problem for us. There are 245 sheets of color paper in the supply closet. There are 458 sheets of plain paper by the computer table. So we're going to take those two numbers and use those to do our work today. So 245 is our first number. That's the colored paper. And 458 is the plain paper. The directions tell us to write the numbers and then draw quick pictures. So we have 2 hundreds, 4 tens, and 5 ones. And in 458, we have 4 hundreds, we have 5 tens, and we have 8 ones. In our math talk, it says describe how 5 tens is different from 5 hundreds. Well, in this number we have 5 tens, and if we count by 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, we know that that would be 50. If we have 5 hundreds, we've only got 4 hundreds here, we would need 1 more hundred, but if we had 5 of them, then we would have 500. And 500 is greater than 50. It makes a difference what place a digit is in. Turn your paper over. We're on page 74. We're going to go to the top where it says model and draw. The place of a digit in a number tells its value. So in our little cloud here, we have 327. The 3 in 327 has a value of 300s or 300. If we just write the number, it's 300. The 2 in 327 has a value of 2 tens or 20. 2 tens is 20. And the 7 in 327 has a value of 7 ones or 7. There are 10 hundreds in 1,000. So we've got 10 hundreds here, and if we put them all together, we have a cube. And when we write the number 1,000, now we have 4 places instead of the 3 that we've just been working with. So there's our thousands, there's our hundreds, tens, and ones. The 1 is in the thousands place and has a value of 1,000. On the bottom it says circle the value or the meaning of the red digit. This number is 702, and the 2 is the red digit. Is that 2 ones, 2 tens, or 2 hundreds? You can hear it when we say it. 702. It's 2 ones. 459. The 5 is red, and you can hear it when we say it. 459. It's in the tens place and it's worth 50. 362. The 3 is red this time. And again, you can hear it when you say the number. 362. It is 3 hundreds. Go to your next page. And on the top here, you are going to be doing what we just did on your own. You're going to look at the digit that is red and circle the value of it over here on this side. On the bottom, we have been given some clues, and they want you to write the number that matches the clues. We are doing a 3-digit number, and I find it always helps to make 3 places so I can put my digit in the correct place. So the value of my hundreds digit is 300. So where would you put that digit to make it be worth 300? And the value of my tens digit is 0. So we have 0 tens. And the value of my ones digit is an even number greater than 7. So it has to be a number that's greater than 7, and it has to be an even number. So if you write your digits there and then write the number down there. Turn your paper over, and we're going to problem solve. Richard is making a Venn diagram. Where in the diagram should he write the other numbers? Now, a Venn diagram usually has two ovals, and they overlap. So in the green oval, we're putting numbers with a 5 in the tens place. And in the purple oval, we're writing numbers with a 2 in the hundreds place. And this part in the middle where they overlap, if they have both of those things, a 5 in the tens place and a 2 in the hundreds place, they're going to go in there. So they've done the first one for us. 152 had a 5 in the tens place, so it goes here. 215. Does that have a 5 in the tens place? No. Does that have a 2 in the hundreds place? Yes, it does. So we're going to put 215 here. 454. Does that have a 5 in the tens place? Yes, it does. A 2 in the hundreds place? No, it doesn't even have any 2's. So it goes here. We're going to cross that out. 257. Does that have a 5 in the tens place? Yes. Does it have a 2 in the hundreds place? Yes. So it's going to go in the middle because it has both of those things. 352. Does that have a 5 in the tens place? Yes. Does it have a 2 in the hundreds place? No. So it's going to go in the green oval. 205. Does that have a 5 in the tens place? No. Does it have a 2 in the hundreds place? Yes. So we're going to put that in the purple oval. And the last one, 250. Does that have a 5 in the tens place? Yes. Does it have a 2 in the hundreds place? Yes. So it's going to go in the middle. Now in number 12, it says describe where 752 should be written in the diagram. And they want you to explain your answer. So you're looking to see if it has a 5 in the tens place, or a 2 in the hundreds place, or both. Which oval would you put it in, and why? Why would you do that? And number 13, which of these numbers has the digit 4 in the tens place? Which one has a 4 in the tens place? When you have completed that, your assignment will be done.